In the last class, we learned that a cell can recover if injury is removed in time. But what if the injury continues? Then the cell reaches a stage from where there is no return. The cell dies. This is irreversible cell injury. But surprisingly, cells all don't die in the same way. Today, we'll answer one simple question. How do cells die? Cell death is the final outcome of irreversible cell injury. There are two main pathways of cell death: necrosis and apoptosis. Although both result in cell death, they are two entirely different processes. We'll look at these two processes in depth in the coming classes, but here let's make a basic comparison. In necrosis, the cell swells up. Also, all the organelles within the cell, like the mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulum, also swells up. Then the membrane ruptures and the contents within the cell can leak out. This leads to inflammation. While in apoptosis, the cell shrinks and the plasma membrane is intact. All the organelles are packed tightly into apoptotic bodies. And since the contents of the cell do not leak out, there is no inflammation. Necrosis is the commonest form of cell death after an injury like ischemia, toxins, etc. While apoptosis is more or less a very controlled form of cell death. It's also called cell suicide. Necrosis is almost always pathological. Means it's the end result of a proper cell injury. While apoptosis is mostly physiological. It's a method used by the body to remove unwanted cells. But apoptosis can be pathological also in certain situations, especially when DNA of the cell is damaged. Today, we have only looked at the big picture. From the next class onwards, we'll study each pathway separately in detail. In the next class, we'll study necrosis, how it occurs, why inflammation occurs, and why different organs show different patterns of necrosis. Think at the cell level.